What's up guys, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'm going to give you a closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Polaris RZR Pro XP4 and the Turbo R4. Now, the Tusk UTV upgrade kits is one of the easiest ways to get some of the most popular accessories installed on your brand new machine. They're going to make your machine stand out and look good. They're going to give you added protection and comfort. And when you buy everything in a kit like this, you're also going to be saving some money. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at each of the three kits. To start out, we're going to be looking at the Stage 1 kit. This is the most basic and affordable option, and it comes with your essential accessories for your brand new machine. So the first item in the kit, this is your removable half windshield. This is going to give you some protection in the front. It deflects some of the wind, but it still allows for enough airflow into the cab to keep you cool. The second item in the kit is the alloy UTV mirror kit. You need to see what's behind you, and the A-pillar mounts put these in a good spot without adding a bulky clamp to your roll cage. The third item in the kit is the cargo barricade. This is going to give you some added cargo space, and you've got plenty of tie-down points to help secure your items. Moving on to Stage 2, you're going to be adding some premium features. Now, you are keeping the cargo barricade from Stage 1, but the first upgrade is going to be with the windshield. So this is the removable full windshield. It's scratch resistant. You're getting full protection in the front. And if you're ever out on a hot day and you want maximum airflow into the cab, you can simply take this off. It is easily removable, just like the name suggests. The second upgrade in the kit is the pivot folding mirrors with A-pillar mounts. And what's nice about these is if something hits your mirror while you're driving, these are going to pop out of the way and you can simply fold them right back out. And if you have an enclosed trailer and you need some extra clearance on the sides, you can simply fold these in. The last item in the kit is the Force aluminum roof. Now this is going to provide you with some shade and help protect you from the elements. Moving on to Stage 3, this is the premium option from Tusk. You are going to be keeping some things from Stage 2, so that's going to be the removable full windshield, the pivot folding mirrors with A-pillar mounts, the Force aluminum roof, the cargo barricade. Now the upgrades over the Stage 2 are going to be, number one, you're getting a rear window. So this is going to help enclose the cab, it's going to protect you from the weather, and if you're ever out on a dusty day and come to a stop, it's going to help keep some of that dust out. The second upgrade in the kit is your 30-inch curved V2 LED light bar kit. Now with this being curved, you're going to have more illumination, and not only that, what's unique to this one is you have the spot lighting in the front and you've got the flood lighting on the sides. And that's it for the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Polaris RZR Pro XP4 and the Turbo R4. Again, this is one of the easiest ways to get some of the most popular accessories on your brand new machine. And if you need one of these kits, you can pick one up on our website. We also have a detailed how-to video for each kit to help you get it installed. Now, if you have any questions about this stuff, leave those questions down in the comments below. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.